Hi, I'm Kesha Williams, an AWS machine learning hero and Alexa champion, and this is Kesha's Korner, where we learn about artificial intelligence and machine learning on AWS with an overall goal of helping you level up your AI and machine learning skills and learn as you build on AWS in a resource effective, fun, and interactive way. Let's get ready to transform your engineering skills and future proof your career. Today's topic is an introduction to machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a hot topic. As developers and engineers, we are used to coding or telling the machine what to do. We use languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, and JavaScript to tell the computer what to do. Now, with machine learning, the machine can produce output without us explicitly programming it. So here's how it works. A learning algorithm studies data, looking for trends and patterns. The trends and patterns it finds are then stored in a mathematical model. You'll hear data scientists talking about the model. That's what they're referring to, the trends and patterns found in data. And once you have this model, it can be queried or consulted by giving it new data that it hasn't seen before, and then the model provides a prediction. Let's take the case of using machine learning in healthcare. There are some machine learning models that can accurately predict cancer long before a diagnosis. That's mind-blowing and life-saving, but how does it work? There's this training or teaching process where the learning algorithm studies images of cancerous tumors and non-cancerous tumors, and it learns to identify what a cancerous tumor looks like. So when it is presented with a new tumor, it can predict or infer whether or not this new tumor is cancerous. So how do machines learn? There are several machine learning techniques. The first technique is called supervised learning. This is where the algorithm learns from labeled data. So going back to our healthcare example, an algorithm is fed images of tumors that have been labeled. So this image is cancer, this image is not cancer, etc. The next technique is called unsupervised learning. This is where the algorithm learns without labeled data. So the algorithm tries to find patterns and trends that govern the data, and it organizes or clusters or groups data based on common features it identifies. The next technique is called reinforcement learning. This is where the algorithm learns through consequences of an action. The algorithm receives feedback as it's learning, like this was a good decision, here's your reward, or this was a bad decision, here's your negative consequence. You see this a lot in robotics. So what types of questions can a machine answer? Machines can answer yes or no questions, like, is this tumor cancerous or not? Is this email spam or not? Is this transaction fraudulent or not? Machines can classify data. Is this a cat, dog, or a bird? Machines can provide a numeric answer. What will the temperature be in Atlanta tomorrow? How many units of this book will sell? Machines can group data. So here's my customer data. What are the distinct groupings for my customer base? Help me understand who my customers are. Machines can even generate something new samples, new designs based on existing data. For example, given this airplane part, how can we make this aircraft lighter, stronger, and more efficient? Machine learning is the next wave of transformative technology that will change life in unimaginable ways. Well, that's it from me. We looked at what machine learning is, how machines learn, and the types of questions a machine can answer. I hope you'll join me in our next episode where we will look at the machine learning lifecycle and how it differs from the more traditional software development lifecycle. See you next time.